We're a true one-stop shop now. We offer all the marine services in the one place. We're able to, sell a boat and continue to sort of manage and look after that experience and make sure that, you guys are getting the most enjoyment and as stress-free as possible.
We've organised a display of Grady's that's the biggest in the Southern Hemisphere. We've got over a dozen on display, as well as some of the industry's most highly regarded experts and ambassadors.
The sort of enjoyment and memories that can come from owning a boat when the experience is right. That's our aim, give that sort of experience to as many of our customers as possible.